If you've ever fed wild birds, you know that squirrels can be a real problem. They'll steal your seeds, demolish your feeder, and chase away your feathered friends. Well, here's the solution. The Squirrel Solutions Seed Saver 200. Unlike conventional feeders, the Seed Saver 200 has a patented spring-loaded shroud that automatically shuts down your seed supply the moment a squirrel or heavier bird hops aboard, without harming them in any way. Because the shroud is weight-sensitive, birds can either perch or cling while they feed, unlike those pesky squirrels. The money you'll save on stolen seeds alone will pay for your Seed Saver 200 time and time again. Inside the clear polycarbonate seed tube, a patented seedometer tells you how much seed you have left and how much to put in. Filling up is easy. Remove the squirrel-proof lid, insert the free, spill-proof funnel, and pour. You can hang the Seed Saver 200 almost anywhere you'd like to watch your birds feed. Just leave enough clearance to foil the squirrels. Our free mini guide shows you how. The Seed Saver 200 dismantles easily for regular cleaning and is dishwasher safe. All parts are replaceable and guaranteed 100% squirrel-proof for 100 years. Any questions? Discover 100% customer support and you'll see what we mean. Now, feed your wild birds and not those problem squirrels with the Squirrel Solutions Seed Saver 200 from wildbirdsolutions.com.